Yes, good afternoon, children. Today we can take the circle, children. Circle and parts of a circle. What are the parts of the circle? Look at, children. In this, you can see your center. What is this, children? This point is the center. This one is the center. And in the middle you can see the center, and distance from this center to the circle, that is equal. The distance from this center to the circle, that distance is equal in all interior part of this. Okay, interior part of this circle, and the distance from the center to the circle is equal. The equal distance from the center to the circle. And next, look here, from center to, when we draw a line segment from center to the circle, we draw a line segment. We draw a line segment from the center to circle, that we can call it as radius. That is radius, R-A-D-I-U-S. When we draw a line segment from center to circle, that is radius. This one also another radius. And from center to circle, AC, that is also another radius. And if this one is the radius, one radius, and this one is another radius, this one another radius, more than one radius, that we can call it as radii. That is radii. That is the plural of the radius, that is radii. So when we draw a line segment from the center to the circle, that is radius, and if a line segment and we can draw another line segment that is joined through points of the, that joins 2 points of the circle. Look here, this one is P and this one is Q. P and Q are the 2 points of the center. P and Q are the 2 points of the center. If that points join with the, or 2 points join with a line segment, that line segment we can call it as chord. C-H-O-R-D. P, Q are the 2 points in a circle. If that points we join with a line segment, that line segment we can call it as chord. And if you draw here the line segment, and this one is C, this one is T, and C, D are the points in a circle. And if you join these two points with a line segment, that line segment, this one also a chord. So if you join 2 points in a circle with a line segment, that line segment we can call it as chord. So, and this one is the chord, and if that chord, look here, and this one also another chord, look here, that is passing through the center. Yes, C, T. Look here, C, T. This one C, T. This one is Q. Okay, C, T. C, T, that is also a chord, isn't it? C is a point in the circle, and this T also a point in the circle, and that 2 points join with a line segment, that is CT line segment. And if that line segment, that is also a chord, isn't it? 2 points in the circle already joined, so that is also chord. But here this chord is passing through the center. This CT, that chord is passing through the center, so we can call it that as diameter. That is the diameter. If the chord is passing through the center, that we can call it as diameter. So this one is the diameter. So if we draw a line segment from the center to the circle, that is radius, and and the 2 points in a circle join with a line segment, that line segment we can call it as chord. And if the chord is passing through the center, that chord we can call it as diameter. And if more than one radius, that we can call radii. Then next one, these are the diameter. Diameter means that is a chord passing through the center, and if the line segment from the center to the circle, that is a radius. And if the 2 points in a circle join with a line segment, that line segment we can call it as chord. So chord, diameter, radius, and this one is the center. Okay. Then next one, chord. Then next one, look here. If the 2 points, we can take it as a, this one is this PQ. This PQ is an arc. We can call this one is a part of the circle, that is on the circle. This part is called PQ is an arc, that is arc, ARC, that is an arc. Okay, that is an arc. And if an arc, this also, look here, this one also AC. This one is A, and here C. This AC is also an arc, and one side is arc and other side interior of the circle, and other side two or pair of radius or radii. More than one radius means that is radii, isn't it? And if one side is an arc and other side pair of that is radius or pair of radii, that portion or that region we can call it as sector. This region is sector. Okay, this one is this part of the circle. This part of the circle is, or this region is called a sector. What is that? That is a sector. 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 We can call it this sector. SECTOR. This one is the sector. Okay. That sector means one part is or one side is an arc, and other side is, that is the interior part of the circle. That region we can call it as sector. That region means one part is an arc and other side is that is pair of radii. That region we can call it as, that is sector. Sector. Okay, this one is the sector, and another one is arc and, yes, one arc and one side is arc, and in the interior part of the or region interior of the circle, that is joined with a chord. This part we can call it as segment. That is call it as segment. This one is the segment. SEGMENT. That is segment. This segment means one part is an arc and that is joined with the 2 points. That is a chord joined with a chord, and one part is or one side is chord and other side is a arc. That portion or that region interior part of that is, we can call it as segment. That is a segment. So this one is the sector and this one is the segment. Sector means one side is an arc and other side is pair of radii. That region we can call it as sector. And this shaded part, that is one side is arc and other side is one chord. Here, that is, here this one is the pair of radii. One side is arc and that is pair of radii. That is sector. And this one side is a chord and other side is an arc. That portion or that region we can call it as segment. These are the parts of the circle. What are they, children? What are the parts of the circle? First, center, radius, diameter, chord, arc, sector and segment. These are the parts of the circle. Everyone want to draw a big circle and you have to draw these parts of the circle. That is, first you have to point it center, and after that you have to draw a radius, and next you can draw a diameter. Diameter means that is a chord passing through the center, and you can draw a chord. Chord means that is 2 points in a circle that is joined with a line segment. That line segment we can call it as chord. And next one, that is an arc that is on the part of the circle, that is on the circle, that is an arc. And another one is sector and segment. Sector means that is one side of the circle, that is an arc, and that is joined with a pair of radii. That region we can call it as sector. And segment means one part is an arc and other part is a chord. That region we can call it as segment. So these are the parts of the circle. So you have to draw a circle and you have to point out these parts. Okay children, bye.